The Nueces County DA's office has responded after a DPS trooper accused of multiple felonies asked the Nueces County DA's office to be dismissed from his cases. Marco Everett says that there are conflicts of interest with First Assistant DA Angelica Hernandez. Monday, the DA's office responded, saying the indictment was filed over a year ago and there had never been a previous objection. The motion also argues the judge does not have authority to remove the office in this case, and it is the responsibility of the prosecutor to recuse themselves if a conflict of interest exists. Also in that document, a bombshell response. For the first time, the DA's office is recognizing First Assistant DA Angelica Hernandez allowed a mother to look at evidence in her own daughter's case. Brianna Wood was allegedly murdered by her ex-boyfriend, Joseph Tejada, in 2016. Several others were arrested in connection with that crime. Last month, our 6 Investigates team broke the story of her mother, Fallon Wood, telling us Hernandez asked her to sort pretrial evidence for one of the capital murder cases, even taking some of it home. Our Taylor Alanis joins us now in the studio with an update to this story that continues to unfold. Taylor, what's the DA saying now?
Well, Pat, Mark Gonzalez says Fallon's claims are false because the case files never left the DA's office. Also saying that Hernandez told one of Tejeda's defense attorneys that Fallon would be reviewing the case at the office and that the case was never compromised. But last month we showed copies of the evidence Fallon Wood saw to Tejeda's other defense attorney, and he says differently.
I would think that's borderline, not borderline, I would think that's unethical.
The Texas State Attorney General's office took over prosecution of the cases just 2 days after our story aired. An assistant AG asked for 2 weeks to a month to review evidence in the Joseph Tejeda case, saying the AG's office had just received the evidence and needed to sort through it to determine if more investigation was needed. Al is granted the time, setting the next status hearing for June 17th. Of course, we will give you any updates as we get them. Taylor Alanis for 6 Investigates.